nira bananchi marako bayabona oberega kurwa engana yaye o address ya Kenya 20 twategereire buna Amerika gukwana nyuma tutara dive in gocha seki abaka gukwanira ntaitwe orwe reaction yago ase enkwane yabaka gukwana generally.
Thank you Moralia. No nyino konyorukwana na chikora ategerera ngainki yomorai bwensaga tutehirero.
Yes.
Actually nalenge galime atango tenena because ni kwerundia ntegerere ndoro se nindi kekende getabuza
ngwarika
frustrations nanyo ranchiringa I didn't even realize nga nebe a very short speech.
Okay.
Go say address na yarenge ekinda atebenjera ona ategerera omorai bwense igare gotosomere katiba only just reading a constitution yaba Kenya bamayete otosomera ji article gocha oteba thank you kende ngiyo kwanirie tanyangi nyongo ogenda bwoe nothing na igukuru asomorai bwense ura kwanera aba Kenya bategerera ngiabwa tobulito honestly ngiarenga ono na ndo changa no borucho
aida manganago. Right, asante sana Mheshimiwa Nyameno. Ndatorwe reaction yago korengana nenkwana yomorai bwense nyuma tutara dive in kochase kiabaka gukwanira.
Biamano yo minto Ruth.
Yes.
Buna lero ekerenge kiomorai bwense gukwana. Bunere ne constitutional right yo gukwanira address ye nation.
Okay.
Lero genteke ne kiamare to gukwanira. Oroje kerenge kene akwana igoro ya National Convention of Kenya Future.
Okay.
Na kiaba Kenya bago chama bakwanirane na Kenya iteka bamambi.
Right.
Yeah, ekene kialenge erengenene. And it was very clear. Again tekene o rambo iroko boko. Ogie saba Kenya. Ba chama. Babeke birengera libya bamo. Babwaterane ensetari yae na te ensetari yae.
Right.
Ensetari ya bagambi. Ense yara abantu bonse ba Kenya. Na kiaba Kenya bago ikerana bakwane igoro ense yabo yake.
Right.
Kina kialenge ekenene ase marabobe alero and into to me na bali bat nenali kende yons ge korekana ase njereyo ande buna ro morai bwense.
Right.
Bana ba na aligerereti ande na amanya ekebono abantu basogonya kuomana basogonya gotogerana basogonya korutirana mangana.
Right.
Kenya okonyora yachira sangao oborori bwae na nchibina na ari oborori bwae bokorangerania aba Kenya kero mondo na bwate enchera korengerari birengerere byons pipe kwamo orona Kenya guskamoto.
Right. Ekerontigarete asoro Mheshimiwa. Can we say nga omorai bwense nabakagu address the concerns echo chigendrete guchanda aba Kenya gose emechandelia aba Kenya bagukwanira abagu bagendrete gwetera asense. Do you think ngomorai bwense nabaka ku address?
Patri njetumi na nategera na kwa na part of it.
Okay, maybe you tell us.
Tokoro ka inflation. Kuna uchumi ere. Na uchumi ye na ruwe sambo weta jinse chede chia develop na chia chire.
Okay.
Another bana in current situation robo.
Okay.
Ensayons. In inflation nero lakini erebu nere gesa sobo gambi. Amatukaya abeiro bagambi onyesukiri gocha inse na kwa nege ntokere tokoroka national infrastructure na kwa nyetagerra.
Okay.
The national infrastructure fund eye watresi emechando yaba Kenya about inflation na binto binde na kwa nege ntokende the sovereignty of LD fund
mangana yobo chana
afya na kwa nerabu ya sana igona ndege nta stress na onya gorifa to constitution of Kenya na kwa na so much about the vision 2030.
Right.
Na kwa tagara vision 2030 the concept ya very developed because that was a national conversation dandere ya lenga ngaki yo Mheshimiwa Teret president Mwai Kibaki when the president jajira Uhuru came he didn't divert tanganya teko ruale vision 2030 March kereba developed the manifesto ye party chiabo including former Lichupiri na current UDA.
Right.
They have every borrowed for as a vision 2030. They have not much deviated from that, and actually that roadmap we are almost getting we achieve Another question is where we achieve. So if we didn't achieve, what would be the next? He has set another team. They call few, now they go give a way forward past the 2030 vision.
Right. Omonogeri,
Yes.
oyo Korumasige East.
Oh, yeah.
A president ya Kenya. Really, na address concerns ichaba Kenya bange bagendrete ku raise in day-to-day lives. Ekero watege raise piche yae. Na kwa na mangana mange.
Una nati au kuwa na lita ya. Iko na ba no August ka. Iko range. I expected what you are asking. It was a president.
Right.
A lot is happening in Kenya. Aba Kenya, they are going through very hard life.
Yeah.
Obo gimabuga beiro bokongu pa. Amangana yechigun Kenya. Ayakwe gweto mo isonda katanga our goons. Yani working they own those goons. We expected ya kwana robo kebago. Wa irire kuwange ke nasense ya Kenya. Nto expect ya kwana siasa ekokoro yo morembe because we've seen a lot of things, especially from people that are aligned to coalition yae. Agokora siasa no nyense itane chinsa mose chinde ebuate botutuka no banane. Kibina bibi intaba Kenya ba expected kukura say president. Inje to me, and honestly, when I take a speech yo mugambi, there is no single sentence akwane regento kego concern yo mo Kenya directly. What the president was reading to us today, igale to somera una Kenya takireko. You know, egento rutare ko tebirero negenta takiro kora year 1 ekera so etebo president. Angere anste ko te yaba ndonga kango Kenya go chokuga the next even for the next 5 years.
Right.
Ekiata akwanete ngakiyo. Na ndonyo gekwanete agekwanete nkeraba. Na mo Kenya tayo murari bono ole sen ora tegera mangana ruto ne limali beke unalinga liye kehene. Ikino ke manyete. It has never happened. Even to be 6 months, after 6 months, after 6 months. Bono ruto na go tebi ke ntoro erate ne akore nation address. Ara ko re robo tukobo gima. Ato tebi ke ndiyo sia akora mambi sambiri eli mambi. Nobody can trust him. Ebi ntala to somera bona bona ro kwa na mangana yogo operationalize a constitution. Today. Igo na ro le koti ego tenenia okwagacho kwe state lodge somewhere. Yakana ngende kikira ni constitutional. Nkwaro le bintu bakole binke ekoti ego kana. Ruto manyana mune president ya Kenya tarabwati richi ke yaga to somira ro to bwati.
Okay.
So toko to tebinga o to somere katipengi marero chi article chons ngo article nki kwana nkyo. This is a constitution every Kenyan has at home. It is in our phones. We read it every day. What we want to know onyakorere gas bune president, the correct answer is no. Okay. Again, the yake na kwa about inclusive ye nation. Natero kwa na igoro okubwatani ense amo.
Okay.
Ntaje to kuboyo morali. Ayenayo matanga GPS chons pichi ya Kenya jikurubo kalenje. Inclusivity ke yo kwa na saba antu igwete ere dream negative. Ono botuko. Inclusivity ke eke abantu baito chigasi chirure igagusiye ngimana nyanse ngimetu wata minister balen. Mbarenga bakorubo ikoyo. Mbarenga bakoruso. That the inclusivity you are talking about, you have not acted about it. You also talked about affordable housing. Aba Kenya babanya chinyomba chingia. Ejitu abodi ko na chage to station every other time. Chinyomba eji ni landlord. Mtu gwata na rent. Ama de mayaga ajitana yango. Mtu anaka nyora machivu up to date. Oto tebi affordable housing. I'm from Mogembo right now. Ejiku amete. Ocha ke project ye ko re miaka 5 tehera. Chikura buna bana ko chikubugu. Kaya ko chikoko re binte. Na inde. Ega serikali yende go cheko birusio ngakia go chakotokon naro kwa na mangane education ero iba uiko lesimi ya buchi WhatsApp obwate chi abana bako so school September nesengima erega go tenda anywhere okwana anything nga umanyete serikali uicho mwana abire placed somewhere.
Yes.
Serikali ya Kenya igego kaba kiregento kyo mwana yako school. As we speak today, we have WhatsApp groups to sabuchibesa to changera abana bako in school. So education yo Kenya ya mosinyire. Talking of CBC, yacha igeva tantanity everybody. Kende nke yakora about CBC yo na education at large. O change bintu. Na kwa na about economic pride. Na aba Kenya eta tuego kelie. Tuya kuba. You know, kaki honestly na utalko be studio out na iska obodi abantu ikomi boka ngaki. Ntuya akege kuba igore economy ya Kenya as it stands now. Everybody will tell you no. People are suffering. Look, the other day we were fighting about amaguta yegali. Abantu bali chipara ba okura. omoraria I can tell you e address ya lero ye president ya Kenya I can tell you gas nywege ntago kora lero o amwanga tiganda kwana ba Kenya anything elike gocho moto
Right.
yeah
Mheshimiwa Nyameno. No yakege kubanga the economy is stable ng'abantu mbuya balemba bwatendagira bakoli mbabwa everything is stable yani in general.
Umanyete number 1.
Yes.
Monto tayo mo ikeran.
True.
Tayo mo ikeran. Ando monto yo kanyara binto bionspi. Na ye. No konya kokina. Ebinte bigo changora ngora. You did not expect a president you have in 3 years. Ora chimira ko nebi kone. Kwa roche kere president ya so etobis. Ya what are out of fallen debts. Ari waka na chibesa chisabire korusko.
Right.
Ya sabet part of wenga kia mheshimiwa Kibaki, ya sabena mheshimiwa Ruto. Wana kanyara Kenya ya ikire ya shekeru ya ikira se etabu ati no return. Kero tabu ati no return. You have to go to the mercy of others. Ikero consider the situation ya lero. Ne ya moisonde ne yenga kie aruochi maiga. Nabo ikero ko parents ye binte vionspi. Get to me. Nabo kanya wale binte president ya tembre. Number 1, the infrastructure licha jage tu na Kibaki oruru akachigenda dali. Still, it didn't abandon them.
Okay.
Okay, and then Nairobi, you will see many.
Nagusia.
Usiga, just yesterday, but one.
Okay.
Nalenge Kisii County. A constituency ko Rogunyali Valley, Masaba.
Okay.
Chache, na Bobas, na Patria of Ogembo. That is Machoge, Chache. Osoko rachi para. Sira new. During this session, yo mheshimiwa William Ruto. You can agree, David Bingo Skabire. You cannot say that the last 4 years we are at zero. Even the challenges chialengo. Chu wakana madeni. Na kurikichi beso korera magendra. Ayagendra. No na ya buna ayo moivoli hose buna aye. Omondo.
Yes.
Ekerogo kina. Se kwali kruegas. Mogenda ogole nyomba. Ogoro obolemo. Ogole egali. Osomya abana at once. Ebintu ebi ebigocha actually ngora. Yona li problem to bwate buna Kenya.
Okay.
Tutagete ebintu bira instant. Andri yesa lengali yesa kinete ana bantu kero montago kina ngora. Tusa ku understand a concept ya yoko kina eta economically kuma etoko kino kwetoko kine ke mobere ne birangarali is equal the same development.
Mheshimiwa.
Omonto obeire gas for 20 years was it 10 years cannot be the same.
Right.
Omonto obeire gas in 2 years or 3 years or 4 years. Even if they are in the same level of earning.
moralia nganje asoko boli aso mheshimiwa Chakera
Yes.
about Ruto korakiria madeni amana gwanza ko
Development.
science moske Uhuru Kenyatta rweto bogambi uru 2014 baka 2022 ine miaka ng'anani foreign debt to atwarete asense ya Kenya alinge 4.5 trillion era muna toko kuana nyomba uru 2022 baka 2025 Ruto kabwata foreign debt ya 3 trillion atwara sele kiyo ngaki ngoke yi alinge singo kini alinge
Ambe amadeni, you know, you work with banks. Ekiroko irali den. What do you use it for? Ngiyo chikoli kolera. Ekiroko wakanali. Toko suffocate abantu bonsipi. You keep kokwakana geli and don't develop korwa or uskorwa or develop. So amadeni aya, that's why ngo kotebi ibagendro nara gendret.
But
At current, oyota bu at collect figure. Ekero mheshimiwa goswa obogambi ta wa 7 trillion. In foreign borrowing.
I think
They are
in
foreign borrowing.
from a certain period to a certain period. oise ko check
Ekera ko sobo gambi.
osebana ko check osebana ko check
Collect.
libalia for 2014 to 2022 go to your phone and check the foreign debt yes ya Kenya nge 4.5 trillion for 2022 mpaka 2025 ya Ruto iko to 3 trillion ekito go challenge ya is figures chiroro ega tunalo cho word by sio mheshimiwa osiani ko correct as nini Ruto did not sit to clear debts for him to start development. What Ruto did, igasoete serikali gacha kolichi pesa na bantu bae. Kwaro, yes, na kyo kwa reso, ontegere
Mheshimiwa Nyameno. Yeah, let's give him time akole.
ontegere ko konyire. Ayena ye kwaro juice, abantu bago challenge muruko meninga ko beke shati ya 1800. Obeke tai 18,018. Obeke bikoroto hili bugoseno 150 nga kiura atebi abantu bense ya Kenya nga no igogenda te kurwani gwaka na lideni when you are ministers yo chorete bakwerorera chibesa when we see funny things bigenda to koleka na mwana gusise ese itoga you've seen abantu ba UDA bagochaga iga ni chichopa you've seen abantu bagochaga iga ngwaro che ngenda nyali bari ganda bagago monto amasiringi 5000 ngwaro che abantu bagochaga nga nenge tukali bakoro gosenga kikyo ko konya bangina. How do they call it? Empowerment.
Yes.
Abantu bakoriturichi nyamaje je rutunze inse kuru ndai goronga karachora necho mpesa kichi tokoligi chigo salibu nabantu. That is the simple question we asking this failing government. Mpesa kyoga ndata ko chako te yabantu nga igona ari kura ruania amangane eli deni chibesa ruta kabesira as we speak now kuruchinse chesi kone chibesa chinyinke mono. The last year kabesta emetinye mesnini ya etire arusiri chibesa isiko development yo mheshimiwa gatebanga ruta achira akorere gase itogwetera chibesa chiago bo delie ayeba kazo no matenga ruta nachitaka tengege tingo korukira ngumbwa
Yeah, sure.
ngaikere those are the questions we oyo je nyamaje se itase menyeta agatote bino beke clip onye mobwa a week arenge Thursday agatebanga Monday mambi mocho dia nyamache yarire as we speak onyene ligena ndio
Mheshimiwa Nyameno.
Let me ask you.
Egas ye president ya Kenya era buno tu amumanyira nando mheshimiwa na amanyete ne linga ki na chiko check iga yoro mheshimiwa acho na UDA is good to defend by the way kime kiama kiao lakini as much as you are defending ye party yao na ye kara tu ara facts yo tatabinga ki nando matina romo jumbonde okokwana ku TV tukulindo kotebanga obo maene bwanya sa no egwa mutendo yo choro tumoisonde oyo kwana rero tuaire tuakule tuagule nse abaire bobe yente como omojumbe no tago defend serikali rute amonyene era asinyu kwenye defend no muboria maswali ta kuiraniri minte imotanta neti
Alright, so mono gari korabu gataigo.
yeah
Mheshimiwa Nyameno. Whatever the president is borrowing gokora magendera chinsemo. For instance, munegetie kigechi kiabaka gokwanira. One of the developments the president here bereke go promise anene totebe county ya Kisii anene totebe rina bali yagusi generally those are one of the developments here tebirenga mbiche bikorekane but to date ntorara ebinte bibigo korekana. So from where you are seated, how do you convince your monto to regret go so monto to tegeretenga the president is still borrowing okora magendero as chinsemo
Akwega sambo kia family.
right
Wanta gara. Akwega sambo kia family. Kwa nywa miromo ngina. Expectation kia ongereki. Kwa sokire. No konyora ba. Abana. Bono. Ege oja na no mongne ka nyomba ike koba. Time. So all of this you are talking, okay, and Rogora. Cancer center.
Okay.
Yeah? It's a project, how many periods are there? Sometimes, abante banje te kotega robolimo, and sometimes abante banje te kokwane obolimo. The fact is, the economy is all over the world. We have people, relatives, para America.
Okay.
They tell you, America is not what it was yesterday. It's changed. I used to call my brother or my friends in America. The last 3 years, about the nimbo functioning goyanda. I see a few coins in my phone. Of rate,
Okay.
the last 2 years, last year and this year, every American, Kenyan in America is crying for economy. Inflation is not affecting Kenya. Also take consideration in the properly. They could get in say, Oka, Kenya and African countries mostly rely on borrowing. Of course, the president has promised. He didn't say, within 7 days, you know there's a process to build a nyumba. You cannot build affordable houses. They are spread all over the country. Genda Kakamega, if you are saying no. Genda Kisumu, if you are saying no. Genda Nakuru, if you are saying no. Genda Mombasa. Go to a toilet. Iga abosongo, into at the bed to go Mokatakumuru Bogondo. Mogondoli. Over this, one of the president, what has come in. Now, the Mokata has a constitution. Did you want him to use power?
One minute.
I saw
Yes.
Among an education. Now, no, so at university, given that they go because you cannot be perfect. Like on your vice chancellors, we associated with them.
Okay.
They have just given a recommendation of the new model.
Okay.
Yeah, education on funding on the universities.
Right.
It's much better than the previous.
Okay.
Yeah. And yeah, there is nothing that you will dispute about. Also, to agriculture itself, subsidies, people have improved in agriculture.
People have improved. Like in Rende, we've seen so many areas.
The government, this input and has helped to increase our food storage in this country. You cannot say that the president is doing zero. You will be also unfair and unrealistic.
And nobody is saying so.
No, my colleague is saying.
I didn't say zero.
No, he didn't say zero.
Okay.
That's a point
That's
of
why I
correction.
say things are then progressively. Even the kind of rules and regulations on building of houses.
Okay.
They stand. Now even economic growth. If you will not dictate, I want my economic growth ever at 20%.
Right.
No, there are parameters chileta fauti.
Right.
She got to make a time.
Mheshimiwa.
Time is also important. Finally,
Okay.
you cannot charge Omondo in 2 years. 2 years is a preparation time.
Not 2 years, of course.
3 years is a preparation time.
We are not even 3. We are 4 years.
4 years is actually a preparation time.
Right. Right. Asante sana Mheshimiwa
You know,
Nyamino.
these things, you will only charge a person
Let me ask
when you have
my-
given him enough time. Enough time.
Right.
Minus enough time, you will be hurrying unnecessarily.
All right. Asante sana Mheshimiwa. Thank you. Omanogali.
Onko yunga anko nyarika.
Ngiogo nyarekera.
Omanyete ndate ko chaka so Mheshimiwa chakira.
Right.
Nga kero musubati anyomirwa boya. Expectations cha ejire nga nyoro mwana.
Right.
Ta go ikona kanyora. And that's a fact for sure.
Sure.
Na banga na iko for immediately.
Oya jetenero mwana.
Ngo irare emetenyi kianda ko sonyo gocha atoka bwa to mono ya jetenero. But I want to tell you Mheshimiwa, the problem with your leader or your party leader or the president of the Republic of Kenya.
Actually, it's not my leader, it's our leader. All of us are under his.
Count me out because ni sababu. O president ya Kenya.
Yes.
Igebwate problem ekurugwa. Ige konyomo musubati ere ya motenga mambisa ine onyoliro mwana. A problem no promise. No nyeno konyomo kwale example. Ole to musubati omo ikinyombo motenga ki ochaka mambiga ochaka jinsaiga egari no bwato gotalira. Ekere kuborana liya kobobe. Onyendi die president yagotenga esu akera ko chira liga tenga ki egetigia asuneka abantu baminto you will give me time. Besanchio as we speak. Ikatoka nyegetie kire no ni miaka 5 imana koera. Abantu baminto banyamache. Emochali anyamache ndo chesa gete gaiga. Abana ryo kanyarosie weekend lakini budget teyo besanchio chia bekirunchira etigwa. Tumana ho chakarosie gendeke. Ere gago chabuna ate naro abantu abange otebanga chumaine gende kiari. No bono tubwate michando no mugako.
Okay.
Igago to promise ibintu bitari konyarikana. Completely mbiri konyarikana. Mugaka. Amangana ya education in Kenya igara makongo. Amangana ya agriculture Kenya subsidies echogoteba igochire chinkongu ebintu ebire very difficult noboria bare muyabwo goteba
Right.
they can tell you for a fact nga nonyene bitume bino boyo bako eliomo eri mama yetu ngotebi orakum nje na korande boyo obuna rojo bo moiso last time litwa jete na renge na mosque osoro twajete bwenga roko roboyo
Uranyore nero tari gochoi.
late aya ka boyo na ndo ma se itege ndere buya ntugutora sama ya ko mo
Okay.
intu abatanga ntogere ko nyore bagi ntanga because we are close to that facilities bako bega so nje na ka roboyo haringe ntu kiriyo koko sege tanga ni
Ya
ngaba
mayita stage yo kara oso goyo mbara osempai.
sorry
Omayita stage.
njenya mache menyete
Mheshimiwa
town ya
Nyamino,
Stockholm
one moment,
no,
arakora.
I think he's right. I can answer him. Egometa
No.
so boyo bokomuru. So amangana ya education ari gotebia.
Right.
Aro for sure asinyiro muganda. Naona egwanjira nirege ngaki no nyobo migubororo. Ngwa kwa nga no nyobo migubororo nga okogendera getenkora as education tenga buna yarenge.
Right.
Nabo kwa beka igo. Ubo migubo kaibo kuruere kere president ko tenega ari gora to tenga ki buno mwana bunega tatikia ya sha. Ngaye gokoranga kwa bwatire go bulito yiga immediately ayechaka kumanya bakomuka ko hare ndi nguminga yo mwaka nerayo chokolendo na nere sako yo ayechaka kumanya ngabano bugima bwa change kende nkeyo there was no difference yo kurusia abantu NHIF obarete sha as okurusia abantu linda mama helped people onyoro musubati nyorere tu mwana ngakiri yara ko tebyo kumyo mugambi linda mama yakonya tabantu free omo ayakonyoro mwana kwenda today as we speak things are different yanda chinya kitali chito gai go to some hospitals I know of abantu nda kesi miga abone go muntu kitali because of a bill ayibore to mwana what is this eserikali go tongaina each day baja ko tebinge bintu getenko babire abantu baite bange ento getenko ba when we are seeing money flashed all over n'abajumbe n'abantu bandi nje naacha ko tebange linga ase address yo mujumbe yo president ya lero honestly gento nge yataba ke okonya mu Kenya yentonkeya oboli omuntu enomo mwananchi omuntu otamaite ebintu byekatipe byalaga tosomere ebinge takogote bigenta yukuru as speech ya president.
Right.
Yes.
Na kwanira igoro ya engagement na tebanga o engageri abasaye o engageri former leaders o engageri all stakeholders ilikuwa kinga ense ya Kenya at least ngusukere go chebirengo binde.
Terigento kiangenje. Kero kwa na marembe bwense.
I was directing the question to Omonogari egere angiranelinga. Omonogari, do you believe nga through these engagements ense ya Kenya nechigo suka go
Who did Ruto engage in the first place?
abasaye former leaders.
Runyota fund.
That is according to his address.
Yes.
Natebanga o engageri abasaye o engageri former leaders o engage all stakeholders aba Kenya bonds ilikuwa kinga ense ya Kenya ya sukire go chimoto.
Ekero toko tabanga engage all political party leaders eliminating an akwana tena kashago moizon. So kwana na Matiang'i, so kwana na Montogete, so kwana na Baba Kalonzo.
Right.
Which has not happened. We have not seen
You go from your end, you got tara.
It is not true. Ruto has not engaged anybody.
Right.
I can tell you for a fact. What they are doing is splashing money all over. Ruto, party leaders, chakanya to chimanyete, madam.
Right.
Ndoma ete party leader Martha Karua. Ndoma ete Gachagua. Ndoma ete Uhuru Kenyatta. Ndoma ete Kalonzo Musyoka. Ndoma ete Eugene Wamalwa ne party leader. When last no ore guy TV kila litu kondi gwaro chiba ikaransa na Ruto ko discuss ya mangane ya mangana Kenya. And in any case, why should somebody talk about peace in Kenya?
Right.
At this point? Morembe Kenya tabugati. Kenya is the problem. And actually what is coming up is the issue of goons from me. Actually, aligned no more right. We have not seen Kenya kurwana jise inga chinse inga chibi sakugete nebisa kugete bikurwana. Morembe kyo ye president yeko likito tabugati. We are very okay as Kenyans. Ndu tabugate peace all through. What I can say, President try engagement na robe kilo mokutano otala ya 12 ngarangiria abantu bechikanisa abana siasa abasae abantu kiakole ki political parties ya leaders ngachi kwanira ngana kitoko genda bosyo 2030 2060 go chimoyo ngote biruto ngachikura chiko chano no koirango irara go banga mangana a Kenya after 2027 we are having elections next year actually tomorrow I think tomorrow it's on fast right we are starting a year of election there is no politician including my good MCA here who can promise anybody kento kende kionse oni ana ogende word yabo ya gesimo chote yaba ngano choba korere kento kento no bara bata ko ire serious because chinsa chiaerire Oni ga abantu bacha kwebanga mangana echukura.
Right.
Yes.
Thank you so much, Mheshimiwa Nyameno. Thank you so much though. Umanchumo ligereri na bego manchumo tegereri olesiko galia eyo nengambo ya Getembe egendrete kuruga se studio ekaroto gendrete gukwanira igoro ya mangana umuraibwense abakagukwanira alitukulia lero abu asa bakagukwanira abakenya 0716111177 0702666669 nere namba yetu esimu gochaga iga ase studio onye kole ne liboli gosonye kole nengana organic commentera kubwatikana nengambo gose kubwatikana nengambo ya Getembe nabo igo kubwatikana ne address eyo muraibwense abaga kubwatuka litukulia lero nabo gosangana into eyemo aseyemo ekero togendrete Getembe TV Getembe Radio.
Aro Getembe FM leo.
Karibu sana.
Wairide.
Wairebia.
Abagene nene abakwani wairebia.
Haitabi.
Ndiamana njena ara kwata baiga. Njumna sode mwam.
Yes.
Ukwana kunya ko mugirango.
Right.
Serikali iyo arba idino nyo mungwana ka batabanga nekira bakuru cyo bari mu yani ki promise choka.
Right.
Una bora no rino na mangana paro ka asto ajire Nairobi sitting 300 misini 400 700 bora ajire 1500 president uyo atanga nari meya serikali tigango bateme gukwana ebintu bitibire direct bati tochida gitina gina mambi serikali yaro ya kongiro bogimana ende to yugana one term president.
Right, asante.
Mungwana sokorombo yore tigata kwa to mukungule yaro ngoma tinga mambi sane nyoro mwana ngaya kurusha mwana yawo nyoro.
Asante.
Anu mwana otoko.
Right. Getembe TV Getembe Radio. Karibu sana.
Getembe wairire.
Wairebia.
Kwa tajiri nsema jawo nyakoni ngombe.
Karibu sana kurubunya koni.
Onera nyachuba. Bila watawange president yeito.
Yes.
Ya toro siripi.
Okay.
Ti promise ya koru anjiri ko ikirana. Na bono juice ya jai konga gata bare se jari ne je to. Pare koru tombe kana gitaru shinda ti promise ya oborimo.
Right.
Ndra bagene ni vagi duna anda bangina kwende gia tinda mama. Igiarenge buya inifagitire are abangine abachande gete bakorera ko inifagito morai igaira na arana ki abantu bagombe.
Right, asante sana. Getembe TV Getembe Radio.
Asante.
Karibu sana.
Wairire buya
karibu sana.
Yama njare ngemba tera kinirenda senge nyonya bagani abumbari ba koruone. Lakini njerende nabana ariko basigita.
Right.
Ariko batebinga bakwanire buya magenderero mbuya. Unde kerokia tuarierera nire chiranga nincengende nkore kene. Aya nkigeko gera bakogenda biba.
Right.
Aya nebintu binde bunabono ko koremeremo. Nkigeko gerura arie iranga nkokorande gento gete umanyete buya kabisa ngeketi nkonyara lakini na yani wage wake banganga ngochiro koruko ngainireria teribu avatari no kire gombia monoro na kirwa kurunya kon.
Asante anda kesi miyo mwelio Getembe TV Getembe Radio. Aro Getembe
Ekeonga.
Kia mugusi.
How are you, my dear brethren?
Fine, thank you. Karibu sana.
Oyo gari omwana boda chimbunche kuri Nyankongo kibirigo Nyamira County.
Abantu banyamira na kibakobora.
Abantu banyamira mbuya barende bano kote Yesu na Romo bui.
Karibu sana.
Yani mangana mu agambire. Nkindo chinga byontungiyo ndatete omuntu yule ekerogo.
Right.
Otokori ga ki otokumeti matega to ngainete. And usually gakoru empty promises.
Okay.
Kintunke yuruta na wikira ni burunga ukwana bono matega to kayenga pota mapu akoto chega. Ani ga mine tinga banta babanse to rente kibese ba arbe goro barji.
Right.
Yani tindo chinga byontonge yora moigere oigale one time president.
Right, asante sana.
Tigaga ende ko to jandire oinere mwana pora chimbo chikuru Nyankongo kebirigo.
Right. Asante sana. Esimu yo mwelio kigima Getembe TV Getembe Radio. Right, okororanga eyo ya charukire kigima. Asante sana mwancho murigereria, asante mwancho mwotegereri asengencho ogendrete gusangana into AM asayemo kulinde ekerongurigereria nigo ebiro bigendrete gutomnyoke kigima omonogeri na boigo omweshimi wa Nyameno niko ndochenga ebiro nigo bigendrete gutomnyoke andake omonogeri when I get back to you.
Yes.
Kwa gule reactions kurwa sabantu.
Yes.
Kwa gule abantu buna bagoteba kero muntu rure opinion yaye kubwatikana ne namangano muraibwensa bakagukwanira na boigo no buraibugaye. Andakaye, what can you react on that? Ekero turochi andake guchomwelio ekero turochi andake guchomwelio guchugokora engambo ya getembe.
Mono moralia. I think wategereire.
Sure.
And if I am very sure if you could have continued with your calls for 1
for
hour,
some time. Yep.
you could hear same reactions from our people. Over my name, bowling alive is very difficult out here.
Okay.
People are extremely tired. William Ruto.
Right.
Ekogera oburaibwa promises. Ebintu bitali goikirana. Naenda onye ndiria gotiga bono tago promise y'abantu.
Okay.
Kuchikango oburaibwa ye bole raisi.
Right.
I also wanted to say to my brother here, MCA, I have stayed in Botswana.
Right.
I've worked there for a period of 10 years. The president ochore tuoro for 5 years. Akarusi waruguru kumasisi. He did a lot.
Right.
A lot. To kunyara goteia bantu ngekero kwa bire president emyaka 5 ngemyaka ibone yo panguse yanga. Omana gasoka nga bono kwe prepare.
Right.
The essence of a term ochore bune president is to work for people at least barore kende.
Right.
And the truth is even denjera bagokwana mbararora kende gionsi asobosi bwabo.
Right.
And you know ekoba buna machaya asaba na inchi. Ekero konyora ibintu bune binare okwana byogosali chibesa orocha abantu bakominyoka gosiara chibesa kirase kwamana konyora president mambie gotebinga iga madeni yali iguru osento gandate gwakana madeni ose project ite neche koru abantu baganya barosa kintu kitari gochenja igakoba buna machaya se omwana inchi.
Right.
What I could say lastly nkalinga abantu bamintu bamanyenga oburaibwa bwabeiro bobe nechikura toko chigwaka chesire goika ba ke chikura chia maskani nechikura chibwato obororo nene egekogera ekenege ntugiato kurukenya ya tongetu. Actually I can say njena bangote no boli boni gamonto no ba tiege ntu kibaki akorete na ba tiege ntu uru akorete to completion de kaera ntu bwata disibita to bine to gukwanera lero iga ruta abenga nkubugari chikuru nawe chikubugejiga chire bosio abo oboli no nyono mwana okinete na ko ru buna chore tubaka baona. There is nothing kere tangible oranyore kiere because when na affordable housing echiga I am sure by the time mwaka so group president yo 2027 ebune echiasa itanjira era they yona ya mego toka yale. So there is nothing kere complete.
Asante sana. Ask Mheshimiwa Nyameno, President Ruto promised to visit Gesima Ward for church fundraising. What happened? That is an empty promise. Oyoniga krokunga ongwai korua Gesima Ward. Yes.
Kama yenda gukwana. President intitwanyichi tari ara yatu atachitari. Kama kwa santu akore. Kama David tukeli onyo ara tukamabori.
Right.
Itukeli onyo ara libaga ora choto sabesi.
Right.
Was not coming for fundraising. Invited him.
Right.
For national prayer. For NCOC. Echebere the village. Arukoro State House.
Right.
Achagoje village. Into ara sabana into. Ekere one program ngeri into akorete consultation enough. No office ya
Right.
State House. Ekere ruberi etri ajetari. Bagatote ya te konyarekana. Konyora ba engageri. Omugambi.
Right.
For another function. Yareko ba member.
Right.
But ya nyarekanete. Yara konyora bali batanganire. Airu. Bona magoso tu akorete tu amwete tariki tari ntuto korue tariki. No manyeno goteba ari tukeri. Ninyore. Nibaga nichabu.
Right.
Bona rende esengenja atachete ngakieri na esengenja. Ukamulikera bona atoko maboli bona tuwe tariki.
Right.
Gata tera batarachi na tata ko batacha. Ngochare.
Right.
Taru with promise na ngochare. Bona no apunta kanyora akobeka manganaye.
Right.
You didn't say.
Mheshimiwa kubatikana ni address yomuraibu enseri chikulia lero. Aba Kenya nkiba expected ya sama tukayatigalite tosoburai obochori bonene.
Aba Kenya ba expected omarembo obe.
Okay.
Chikura. Motabe no ko osakuligereri the trend from behind. Omusana ngo borenga kiye myako bwe chikura. Mere president otabire binte bikonye to konya kororo chimaga.
Right.
Nenyare kane to bitiga. akiarangerira abantu tigache tokwana chikura echigwako n'abana inchi bagwaka orete yo maete ngokoira ande nyasaye nero kurwa bagambi
Right.
ekerenga kia nyasaye thebira ayo mugambi no mube gose no muya move.
Okay.
Right. You will move or you will stay. Yes.
Right, asante sana amonogeria. Kubatikana ni address yeri tukulia lero. What should be the next line of action as a president? Uchasa Kenya.
I don't think I can advise him on that.
Okay.
I got in the level where I'm advice. But in Chaboni and Tomanya Tigati as Alia Kenya.
Right.
Getting aba Kenya about Boliro Korosa. And I don't think the shortest time you mwaka ya tigaire nekonye a president redeem back amagosa ya kolira aba Kenya.
Right.
Eko era abantu baitu ba entonkeyo kira waro chikura bacha betol kalao.
Sure.
Ega koro ngano imukijigasi ora te studio auto ekero muntu 10 togosoka ni chibesa kuchibusyo. Ebirengere bieto biasetiri. I don't think there is anything the president of Kenya can do. Wesibia kurwa sebi bakorera aba Kenya.
Right.
Omugambi abagambi nyasaye okuru no bomaene. Nyasaye gotora abagambi ndaga choriro. But yo nyasaye atoete. Bako gusaliri chikanisa chiabantu chikanisa gotagora ria sare gosaberume ojirutainse. I don't think no nyasaye to gosaba twense na tuanjira aba Kenya abange toteseke Ruto na abajumbe ba UDA bakonyeke. I want to appeal ngana ki abantu baito gotokogenda chikura tafadhali. Eliogo lioka lira totori. Okorusio monto yekero. To the president I can tell you for a fact yento tikeyo no kera motori urwa sebi bakorera aba Kenya. Era tigagenda eko no ni mani yaye gerenga bache batumie chibesa bache batumie oboibi obobwaibi sikwaro chega tebanga ndoro chotwara live streaming yechikura batwa ebintu bunebyo batumeke biro bikoetera chikenya para go semba so ase state house nandeli yakabere but we are very keen on that.
Right.
Yeah,
asante sana Bernard Makorisio cha korwa nyamware keumbu agotebanga umurai na bwate future engia but Kenya konyora teraika ekiwango ekiumurai achagete buna chinyomba cheri golirike.
Yes.
Kenya iko mbali bado.
That's
right, asante
true.
sana ibine birengera byaye. Dennis Nyamwache agotebanga tuko pamoja, asante. Ruben agotebanga korwa chinsemo chiri cyana akuru no tole ime lakini agotebanga one time, right, ebyo ne birengera byaye. Akurukunga Charles Luanga bado ni yule agotebanga nwale ime eyo murobili, asante. Watching live kuruchinsa machiri cha Mathare Note anasema yuko ndani, asante. Kurwa mabiria agotebanga asante sana. Abange nigo bagendete ko comment kali asichinsa machiri cha Facebook kolende asenge nchebiro tingo chago chietera Johnson ndo chana bange bagendete wakatsimi lakini asenge nchebiro tingo cha ochibwata nigo mukunganchira omonaga ndo chenga ebiro byangarire timetinga your one word ekerotogo kora ngambo yeli tukulia lero.
Mono.
Yes, please.
Itangani tebe mbia mono katembe. Nye totore chinga kichinyenge.
Sure. Yeah, true.
And every time go chando chinga kichiko care. You need to organize.
Sure.
At least chinga kichin tambe tuwa kuona mangana
in details.
In details.
I promise.
I
promise.
Mine is to thank you, Tembe, for to invite Gaiga, and I'm very sorry for coming late.
No, it's fine.
Nsabe itangani mate ngota kanara kuona mangana masige. Nere yenge nchasa nkoreane.
Okay.
Nsaba abantu bamasike ngakitoko genda chikura cha 2027 itanga nitokore chikura cyo murembe no nyatari masike yoka.
Yes.
Na agenda amatanga y'umano minto mapindusi gaterwe galie birore Beyonce.
Okay.
Ase akogenda kureresia family ye abana baito bagotumeka ko namagena kumyokia abantu na kubaita matanga yo gukoreresia family aroni requesting ati kitokora siase.
Okay.
Tokore siasa ere yo murembe tokore siasa tumanyete nga na gochikuruta ligena ya kema momino renga matanga gusomwana omino akorere gosiro mabwaye.
Right.
Abantu amasike east nimbanjete sana ande ngo basaba noko bakugwako be 2027 yegoika nimbwata amarama ya simole nimbwata ndotengi yana inu onga magoro bakorere mirimo. Thank you.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa Nyamino, maybe you can say one word as we finish.
Jamano
yes, please.
Jamana so goto chika na what not yale nke da kibuko iki.
Thank you.
Senge jo twate beti ne yaito abantu na baito.
Sure.
No barori no waito na magana yaito. Ambe ya mango sababa Kenya. Aba usi emerobelie president yebwate asaberu na ndasire yo kobeka aba Kenya am. Siasa ebwato bali mo bonke. Omonta go kwana negative yoka ndibire minus erinda arore kana na arore bu arore buya go so bwenge kurire tikura kire mutwe
Right.
etumani yasango twara omogambi nandikiro mondo nabwate birangira riebia omorembe obo bakomo elio
Right. Asante.
gobo bui barabuto agateba no chobu oyo oyo na chabu yabo bui barabu akara yo mwali pikura chia akiru chia barire ari okomanya mwali pi ndeta toka ya bantu ba minto korugasima
Right.
kabinchi asete monya gosaba asichikambiechi munyore serikali munyore ense yaito munyore viongozi byonsi andi mubasabere
Right.
tera masabo na yengenjo na rara asirense andi no rara akonye abantu baya bange asenya sai
Right, asante.
bana batakere chinga kichingia asichikambi chon speech ra maronge bere na isa nemo ase woti ngima
Right.
inde chiacha agete na chinde chigendrete ko mo basa kueba gosabere serikali serikali nyasawa nyebegeto na mundu ndi bwesho gukwana omugambi bobe mama yatina kiebu kwego teba nyasaye na bwate ngakiaye akuact to gotangana nyasaye na to gochika nyasaye
Right.
yeah
Igo aye turi gukwanira abantu bago bagesima andake kubatikana n'uburayi bwago aside
oburai na bwo na tebire oburai ntogenderete na bono ntwakorata chipara bakore birasi bya ICT
Right.
na ndenga kiteyo yo moecho to bwate a budget ekorani koru this July paka June 31st
Right.
2027 in between here toko tena kende na twekira mangane chikura project 3 kogendera na ne project 3 kogendera kira kitin kwanje project bashibekire budget ase county chigo cha ase ward chigo cha kira ase county ngima
Right.
intuno mogaba nore Nyamira mushimiwa Amosinyalivo we are saying and he has promised that he would do as by the budget abananchi basabe
Right.
gonto bwate buoba buna chibesa chia mwako yo bwa mwalio na nchije chigenda ko chiasande
Right.
twe tore kirali oversight ko chirenda tore ebirasi mpege te chikuru nkwagacha koikabia gachu
Right.
para chibweta ko korwali koikachikoru utaraenda chikura wetango irande ko koira lakini geteka na ki ndiga sikyo gotika
Asante sana.
mugambi mbubwati moto permanent you come you go another one come and he goes it's normal
Right.
and we appreciate that
Uh-huh.
saa ko irenga kyo kolega asiao yakore ne chiguru chao no bangaini bwao ero omusaba kwa gisemi okorega asiye
Right. Asante sana Umuraya Sengencho kwanyora libaga umonogeri. Thank you so much because you came on a very short notice. Ninkorangerie osento barangeri nande ekero chinga kichindi chiratoke ndo chinga mangana na mangari. But we will invite you again Mheshimiwa Nyameno nto barangeri nande ekero chinga kichiratoke eli tusanga mange ayagendete kwenekiwa kurwase serikali nene goika ase serikali chechi county eli kwenekinga umwana inchole iskali otuligirete nabo igototegerete nkonyora rubumanyi igora yagendete gukorekana. Asante sana Sengencho mwacha ayo mancho muligirire no mancho mutegerere kwabere ko gutegerera na gutubwatia twatebira. Asante kurende gwikira buno tugwikira omwerio bwengambo ya Getembe genda gutwara ubuligirire burubya nabo genda gutwara ubutegerere burubya nche ni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto.